Alright, you guys, I showed you this bike. Actually, I haven't showed you this bike. It's the first time you guys see it. Went to Owensboro, Kentucky to get it. And my son's real excited about helping me take it apart, so I figured I'd let him help me take it apart. Got some big plans for this thing. I want to take the flares off, whatever you call them, the fenders, I guess you call them. I want to get a bigger sissy bar. Handlebars are alright.
Hey.
I want to get new wheels for it. The reverse fork so the tire sticks out further. And then I'm going to repaint it and get a new seat for it. You can get pretty much everything you possibly need for these bikes online. So let's get started on it. Well, me and my son got most of it apart. I had to come out here and beat this handlebar up out of here, and the pegs or the pedals are giving me a little bit of a mess. So I'm gonna let this stuff soak with some PB Blaster overnight, or maybe for a few days, and hopefully that comes apart. If not, we'll have to figure it out. All the pieces are over here for it. I'm really excited for this, you guys. It's gonna be freaking slick, I can tell you that much. Looks like the original color of this thing was like a hot pink color. Definitely not gonna go back that color. Unless it's been painted. I don't know if it's been painted or not. I'd say it's probably hasn't been. It's like a hot pink color. Because even the seat has a pink metallic to it. I'm thinking about going a gold color, try to keep it the same color as my van. Some of the gold it has on it. But hopefully I'll be able to get that bike apart fairly soon and start working on it, get it back together. I'm gonna show you all the parts as I get them. So I'm gonna try to do this video all at one time, so whenever I post it, hopefully the bike's done when you guys finally see this video. That's fingers crossed. We got the bike tore completely down. I'm thinking about having it soda blasted, so I don't really want to sand all this if I don't have to, because it's a lot of work. But I may take it to work tomorrow and try and just see. Because if I can sand it and save, 120 something bucks, I will. It looks rusty, but a lot of surface crap that comes right off because it's been sitting so long. So I don't know, we'll have to see. Well, I'll let you guys know on that one. I know I said I was gonna make this bike video or bike in one video in the previous what I was talking about. But I think I'm gonna set it up to multiple videos because I don't think I'll be able to get it done. Well, I could get it done in one video, but it would be a while because, I gotta get all these parts and wait on them, and I'm gonna build the bike up with the parts that I have. All that. You guys don't care about that, so I'm just gonna post this up here and show you guys what I have so far, where I'm leaving it at. Right now, I'm deciding on a color for the bike. I don't know yet. It's at the shop right now. I'm stripping it down. All the parts here. We're gonna be reusing the handlebars, maybe the pedals and the sprocket. I don't know anything about bikes. I could be wrong what I'm calling it, but I'm pretty sure it's the pedal assembly. I don't know what it's called. We're using the kickstand and stuff like that. Not reusing the fork. Not reusing the seat. Not reusing the sissy bar. I'm not gonna be using the flares. All that stuff's going in the trash as far as I'm concerned. But I'm trying to think here. Yeah, the bike's at the shop. Let me know, if you guys care enough. Let me know what color you think I should make that bike. I'm thinking about either a blue, a gold, or purple. Like the first color I ever sprayed to let my chapped lips not catch on my teeth was Plum Crazy Purple back in high school. I think I was 17, 16 years old. I think it was 16. That was the first color I ever sprayed, and I don't have that car anymore. I don't have anything purple anymore. So I think I'm kind of leaning towards that color a little bit more. But you guys just let me know. But with that, that's going to be it this week on the bike. Or I don't know if this is going to be a weekly video. I don't know. It'll be whenever. That's going to be it for the bike for now. A little something to break up the van stuff, because I know I've been doing van things back to back to back to back. And for those that like the van, that's cool. I love the van too. But I'm trying to get out of doing so much on the van, get back on my Mustang, get back on other projects. I like to do other things than just this van all the time. I can't keep working on it because eventually it's going to be done. I have nothing else to do besides maintenance it and enjoy it. But that's it for the bike. Stay tuned. I got a lot of parts coming. The color's going to be pretty cool, I think. So just stay tuned for that, you guys.